So in my last video, I unboxed the prototype of Manta. If you didn't catch that last video, Supernote did send me the prototype for my trip back in October. Now they have generously sent me the production version of Manta along with two other things I'm going to unbox in a second. I thought it would be an interesting point of view to compare the differences between the prototype and the final version and see if there's any differences. Okay, again, I don't want this to be a review on the technical aspects. I'm more of a open the box and disregard the manual and figure out how to fit this device into my workflow kind of girl. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the contents of this box. So they sent the folio. I already received the folio and I already had a pen, so now this is just the device here. Alright, so it looks like this. Alright. Open the wrapping here. This is the box that the prototype came in. So I'm gonna just put it under here and open. Okay. Alright, you have the device here and quick start guide. Okay, so these are some things that weren't in the prototype. So there was a cable in the prototype, but these are what's different in the box. So in my last video I talked about the pen loop, and I wasn't sure if, let me just take this cover off here. I talked about the durability of this pen loop here. You could change the pen loop now. They provide different sizes for your pens here, which is nice. And what's this one? Oh, I think this is oh, nice. Okay, so this is actually something that if you wanted to do it yourself kind of pen loop. Okay, I think that will be a fun little project for me later, if I can put a customizable pen loop on here. But let me get the, alright, take this one. Okay. Alright, so the prototype is on the left and the device, the production piece, is on the right. I don't notice any difference in here. Not just by looking at it, I don't notice any difference here. They did tell me though that the back on the production piece, they reinforced it to be more resistant to dirt. And this prototype piece is, I don't know how well this is going to translate on camera, but you could see that it's a little bit more softer. Well, you can't see soft, but you can see that it's, I think it's like a fingerprint magnet here a little bit. And this one is not so shiny, and yeah, I could feel the difference. I'm not going to be able to show it on camera, but you can feel the difference between the prototype here and the production piece here. Alright. Not too much difference in the aesthetics. Alright, let me attach the folio that came with the prototype onto the production piece here. Okay. Yeah. Again, I'm gonna put my second pen loop, the one that I have here, I'm gonna put it on this one as well. Alright. Screwdriver. And this one is, oh, screws. Okay. Oops. I'm already losing the screws. Okay. And then they have the quick start guide, which was, even the quick start guide feels sturdier. So I can't translate that on camera, but it looks different as well. So this is prototype, this is production. Okay. So there's not much difference in these devices here. Alright, so the second thing that they sent over is actually this box. It's in this box. Let me see if I can open it without breaking the box. Oh, okay. Okay, so this one is the Supernote and Lamy teamed up to do a collaboration on this special set for the Nomad. So this one they're calling Crystal Clear Thinking. This is nice. I like a good box. Okay. So inside the box you're going to get the Nomad Crystal Edition, the Lamy Safari Vista EMR pen, and then let's just open this up. I am struggling a little bit here. Ooh, oh, I really like this. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. So I already had a Nomad, a crystal Nomad from before, so this box should be empty. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, so this is where your Nomad would be sitting. Ooh, is this stickers? Ooh, stickers, okay. Another quick start guide in there. The cord, right angle port cord, USB-C. Another screwdriver. And the pen. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me see. And I think you get the folio, this white folio. But I already had this folio, and as you can see, it's been through some battles here. It's already starting to turn different colors. But I think it adds to part of its charm, so I kind of like that. Or that's what I'm just going to tell myself so I don't look at the stains on this white Nomad. And I think I'm doing this wrong. I should probably read what's inside the box. Oh, never mind. I take that back. So, oh wait, it does say vegan leather folio. So maybe it's a different folio than this because this one doesn't fit. Oh wait, I can make it fit. Oh, kind of. Oop. All right. And then this is what I'm actually really excited about. This new Lamy Safari Vista EMR pen. All right. Take this one out. All right, and put that together. Okay, put this here. Okay. And it's just a matter of screwing the casing together and putting the nib inside the case, and then now you have your pen. Oh, I can already tell this is going to be my favorite. You know how long I've been waiting for Lamy and Supernote to make this kind of pen? I've been waiting for probably 4 years for this kind of pen. So I have these two pens that I use for taking notes and drawing. And this is my favorite pen. This is the Heart of Metal 2 Samurai, I think. But I like this pen because it has a good weight, especially when I'm drawing, because I tend to start at the top and then for looser sketches and then start working my way down to the fine details, and I think like this one has a good weight for that. But sometimes it hurts when I have longer drawing sessions, so I use this one I used to use this one on my A5X, so that one was used for a more detailed drawing. But the thing about this is that you have to replace the nib on this part in this one. So that was kind of annoying because I already don't know where my replacement nibs are. So, and I like this pen too for the button, but over the years I kind of stopped using the button and I just use the gestures now to delete and circle and lasso, I mean. So now this is kind of like these two pens had a baby, and now you have the pen in a Lamy body with the ceramic nib that I like. Where's the device? This one. Oh. Oh. I'll write it on here. Ooh, yes. Oh yeah, this is gonna be my favorite. And this is light like this one. Well, actually, I think it's even lighter. And I think the body of it is slimmer than this one. Ooh, this one's gonna go on my Nomad. Where is my Nomad? Here it is. Oh, it's a little tight. All right, there. There you go. Very nice. All right, and then now I'm gonna designate this Heart of Metal on the Manta here. Alright, oh, I'm gonna put the, like that. I'm gonna put the pen loops. No, if I haven't, I saw another gray one. Oh, here it is. Okay, so, like right about there, I'm gonna put this pen loop. Right here. Okay. I just gotta turn it a little bit. Okay, there. It's not wobbling or anything. I usually leave my pen top on my pen loop, so I just pull it out like this and then I write or draw like that. Alright, so a little bit about me and my journey with Supernote. So I've been using the Supernote for about, let's see, next year will be 5 years. I'm a system analyst and I actually contribute my growth in my position directly related to me using the Supernote. In my interview for my position, one of the questions was about displaying organizational skills. So I pulled out my Supernote, which was at that time, which was the A6X model, and showed them all of my linked notes, and that was pretty much it. From that point on, my Supernote journey turned into a passion project of mine. So on my site, and I'll provide a link in the description, I compiled a list of workflows and how-to and workarounds, and generally things that I've learned over the years with using the Supernote. And the latest piece I did was on my user experience with Manta and traveling. And that's about it. So thanks for watching.